The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Saline County, Illinois, Williamson County, Illinois, until midnight tonight. At 7:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Marion, Huron, Harrisburg, Carterville, El Dorado, Johnston City, Craneville, Cambria, Energy, Galatia, Hearst, Pittsburgh, Creel Springs, Carrier Mills, Lake of Egypt area, Raleigh, Stone Ford, Freeman Spurs, Bush and Whittyish. For locations also under a tornado warning, stay in an interior room on the lowest level unless absolutely necessary to avoid flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until midnight Monday for the following counties: in Illinois, Saline and Williamson,